All right, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So, what do you think about this chicken and watermelon menu from IKEA? All right, that they did over for Juneteenth. Do you think it's stereotype? It's not racist, but I think more it's just it could be of a stereotype. All right, for some people. All right, um, some people could say, yeah, let's do this. Give me a plate. Some people will think that, hey, you know what? It is maybe, I don't know, have a racial angle to it. So I don't think it's necessarily like a stereotype. I don't think it's necessarily racist because everybody loves fried chicken. All right. Every race, every culture eats chicken. You know, I remember back in the day they did a skit like that on Chappelle, and man, he ended up getting a lot of backlash on that with the fried chicken thing. Nobody really found a problem with that except black people. So maybe it was the time in which, or the time that let's say the way that they did it, and then for the time that it represented, okay, for Juneteenth. All right, so I don't know, maybe if it was July 4th or whatever, it would have been different. One thing I think they could have considered doing was IKEA, that is, IKEA probably could have considered broadening the menu. All right, maybe have some jambalaya, or maybe like gumbo, I don't know, ribs. I don't eat ribs or whatever. Maybe some catfish or something. All right, that's more of a comfort food type thing. All right, I mean, in the South, all people eat all that stuff. Okay, black people, white people, all right, even some like Latin people or Native Americans are in on it. All right, I mean, even white people, they get tired of eating, the food of their own culture, like quiche, or I don't know, whatever they like to eat. All right, so I think they consider comfort food more. It's seasoned and it's probably fattening, but it's better. It tastes better. Let's say like that. All right. So that's one thing that IKEA probably could have done. Again, I think the CEO and the HR got a lot of backlash. All right. Quite frankly, I probably would have maybe considered some beans and rice. Beef ribs. I like that stuff. Maybe some burnt ends. Okay. Maybe IKEA could have probably considered like suggestions from the employees before they, came out with the menu. Fried chicken and watermelon. All right. People that look like me, don't get too bent out of shape about this. All right. We're not the only ones that like this type of menu. All right. And maybe next year, IKEA, if they decide to do it again, they can consider just broadening their menu. All right. Maybe sweet potato fries. Chicken wings or something. All right. None of that stuff is good for you anyway. Constipates you. All right. Makes you gain weight. Just no chitlins. All right. That stuff ain't good for you. No pork. And some people probably eat pork anyway. But anyway, that's just my take on it. IKEA, just consider broadening your menu. That's all. Other than that, to me, it's not a big deal. For some, it's a big deal. For others, it's probably not. All right, let me know what you think there, folks. Subscribe. Leave your comments, likes, and shares. Check out some of my other videos. And peace. Stay tuned for the next video as well.